Hey guys, what is up? Back with me again, Teddy here, and today I'll teach you guys how to do a tutorial from Toprock into Footwork and into Freeze. So it covers almost every element on b-boying, and if you are just starting, this is very good tutorial for you to learn. But if you already did b-boy quite for a long time, this is also a very good tutorial because you can sharpen up your foundation. Alright, now without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. Now the top row that we'll be doing here is front step. So front step, very simple. We're going to start with jump and right leg go to the left side and bring it back. Do another thing, reverse, left leg going to the right side like this. Alright, so jump, 1, 2. Okay, now from here we're going into a footwork. So the last step that we did here is our left leg is in front. Now for the transition part, you're gonna kick your left leg here and slowly going down. All right, so kick, bring your body down, and from here we're gonna do a hook. So my right leg is gonna hook to my left leg. Alright, very simple and straightforward. Now before we continue to the freeze, we're gonna start from the top. Alright, so here we go. Again, front step, jump, 1, jump, 2, kick, hook. Alright, now for the freeze, we're gonna do baby freeze. Alright, you can see the right leg is hooking my left leg. Now what we want to do now is we're going to swing our right leg out. Alright, out, and then place both hands on the ground. From here we're going to go to the baby freeze. Hook. Okay, so one more time from the hook, hook, swing, baby. Now let's do this all the way from the top. Here we go. Jump, jump, kick, hook, baby. So that's it for the tutorial. As you can see, it's very simple and straightforward. We cover all 3 elements in b-boying: the top rock, the footwork, and also the freeze. Alright, I hope you like it, hope you enjoy. If you like this kind of combo tutorial, let me know. In the future I'll be doing a lot more. Alright, so I'm gonna see how the comment, and hope you guys like it. If yes, then I'm gonna continue doing this kind of tutorial. But if you don't like it, just comment and let me know. Okay, that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.